I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up an eSIM on your Pixel with Telus can be a bit tricky, but following these steps will help you get it done smoothly. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility check and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Get your eSIM activation code. Contact Telus to obtain your eSIM activation code. This will usually come in the form of a QR code sent to your email or through their app. Step 3. Open Settings. On your Pixel, go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Network and Internet. Step 4. Add Mobile Plan. In the Network and Internet section, select Add Mobile Plan. Here, you can scan the QR code you received from Telus. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions. Once you scan the QR code, follow the prompts to complete the setup. Make sure to select the correct plan if prompted. Sometimes, users miss the option to set a default line for calls and texts. And that's it. You should now have your eSIM set up on your Pixel with Telus. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Telus customer support. Happy connecting!